Hello everyone, in the last video we have discussed about the how to draw the interior walls and exterior walls for the plan which has been given here. Okay, so for this plan we have given the exterior walls and the interior walls with the thickness of 8 inches for the exterior and the 6 inches for the interior, 4 inches for the interior. Okay, so in this video we will be clearly detailing about this. Okay, so we will be clearly detailing the walls, etc. Okay, so for that let us go here and we have to trim these walls. Okay, so for that click on this escape option here. Okay, so after clicking on this escape option, what we have to do, we have to trim these walls. Okay, so for that in only first block here we go. Let me show you. So here you can see only the single wall has been given. Okay, so the walls which are being provided by these two walls will be deleted. Okay, so here we will be going to delete that one. Okay, so for that let us go and trim this one. Okay, so for the purpose let me go here in trim option. So click on this enter option. Okay, and next click on this fence option. So here it has been trimmed off. Okay, so in the same way it has also been trimmed off. Okay, so here also let us see in the next one what will be containing. So here we have to trim out all of these 3 lines. Okay, so for that here you can see these 3 lines we have to trim it off. Okay, so for that let us see here if there are any columns presented here. So here the columns are present here. Okay, so for that I think here we have to provide some columns. Okay, so for that let us undo this one. Okay, so here after doing undo, so click on this select option. Okay, so let me undo this one, or else so click on this. So let me click on this trim option, click on enter here. Okay, so after clicking on the enter, so here also let us trim this off. So here it has been given. Okay, so that it has been trimmed off. Okay, and next let us see in this model. So what we have to do is, so here the lines have been given, so we have to provide a passageway. Okay, so for that let us provide this passageway. This one here you can see that for the main door here, so here it is an open door. Okay, so for that we have to provide the open door, but before that we have to delete these 2 lines. Okay, so for that let us delete these 2 lines. Okay, so let me click on this escape option. First of all let me delete this one. Click on delete option. Click on delete option. Okay, so here we have to trim it off. Okay, so for that click on this trim option. Click on enter up. so it has been trimmed off. Okay, so we will be let me delete this 4 walls. Click on delete option. So here they have been deleted. Sorry, here I think this wall should be placed. We should have so that the columns have to be placed. Okay, so I am undoing this one. Okay, so here it has been done. Okay, so let me select these two one, click on delete option. Okay, so here it has been deleted. So here you can clearly see it. Okay, so let me delete this one also. Okay, let me delete it. So here I have to give the columns for that. So for that, click on this TR, enter. Okay, so here it has been given, as you can clearly see it. Okay, so from here also we have to give the columns. So from here to here we have to give the columns. Okay, so let us see, is it according to the plan or not. So here you can see it is two bedrooms. Okay, so remember this picture, and next we will be going here. Okay, so here you can see that all of that has been given as per the requirement. Okay, so before that let me click on this enter, so that the fence point will be given. Okay, so here also on TR, double enter. Okay, so after clicking on it, so what we have to do is we have to so in the same way let us delete these two also. Okay, so next let us click on this escape option. Okay, so after clicking on this escape option, let me click these lines, click on delete option, so it will be deleted. Okay, so let me delete these two walls also. Sorry. Click on this TR, enter. Click on escape option, click select on it, click on delete option. So let me click on this TR, double enter. See that so here you can see it is according to the plan which is being given here. Okay, so it is according to the plan, and you can see. Okay, so let me delete this one also. Okay. So click on TR, enter. It has all also been given. Okay, so what we will be doing is select these two walls, click on J, enter. So it has already been given, it has been joined. Click on enter, click on enter. So next what we have to do is we have to draw here the column also. Okay, so for that purpose, let me select this one, and we have here it is selecting all of it. So for that okay, I am selecting it as explode option. Okay, so it is not been exploded. Okay, so further let us leave it for this time, and after giving the columns we will be deleting. Okay, so for that here for that purpose let me see. So here we have to give the bathrooms for this one. Okay, so from here to here it is a 4 feet. Okay, so from 4 feet, from here to here, it will be of 5 feet. Okay, so it is of 4 feet and this is of 5 feet. Okay, so let me go here, and next, and I am going to select this one. I am going to explode, so it can't be exploded. Okay, so what we will be doing is we will be going to take the offset from here to, you have to specify the offset distance. So the offset distance will be, as discussed in the plan, it will be of 4 feet. Click on enter. Let me select it, click on this offset, and we have to specify the offset distance as 4 feet. Click on enter here, and it has been given. Okay, in the same way, click on space button. I am going to giving it as 4 inches. Okay, so 4 inches. Okay, so click on enter. Okay, so after giving it we have to give it from here to here, it will be of 4 inches. Okay, so in the same way, click on this offset, and the offset distance will be of 5 feet. Click on enter. So from here to here it will be drawn. Okay, so in the same way, click on space. So the offset distance will be of 4 inches. Click on enter. Sorry, it will be of 4 inches wall only. I am giving it as 4 inches. Click on enter. So the 4 inches wall has been given. Okay, so here click on this trim option, click on this select option. Okay, so here let me delete all of these walls, and let me rename it. Okay, so here you can see the walls have been given. Okay, so let me delete all of these walls for this. So let me delete all of this one. So here you can clearly see for the bathrooms it has been given. Okay, so let us click on trim, enter. So here the opening will be provided for the walls. Okay, so for the walls it has been given. Okay, so in the same way, from here to here also we have to give. So for that sorry, let me click on this wall, click on O, enter. So we are going to specify the offset distance, and the offset distance will be from here to here, it will be of 4 feet. Click on enter. Okay, so from here to here it has been given. Click on escape, click on space button, click on it and give it the wall thickness as 4 inches. Sorry, 4 inches. Click on enter. So from here to here the 4 inches wall has been given. Click on escape. Okay, so in the same way click on O, enter. Okay, so from here to here the distance will be of so the distance will be from here to here, it will be of 4 feet only. Okay, so it will be of 4 feet only. So click on enter. So it has been done. In the same way click on space button and giving the distance it is as 4 inches. 4 inches. Click on enter. So from here to sorry the outside distance will be of 4 inches only. Click on enter. So it has been given. Okay, next click on TR, double enter. Okay, so that we can trim this one and we can do this type. Okay, so for that let me trim this one. Okay, so in the same way we will be doing it. Let me trim this off. Okay, so here the walls have been trimmed off. Okay, so let me select these walls, click on delete option. In the same way select these walls, click on delete option. Okay, so now here clearly you can see that it is according to the plan which has been given. Okay, so here it has been given. Clearly you can see that it is according to the plan which has been given. Okay, so in the next video we will be adding the components, annotations, etc. Okay, we will be adding the staircase. Okay, thank you.